Assalamualaikum and hello everyone. My name is Nurul Atira binti Adnan from Group 3E. For my HRM549 individual video assignment, I have chosen to discuss a contemporary issue in training and development, which is peer-to-peer learning. The journal article I am reviewing is titled A Comparative Study of Traditional Classroom Training and Peer-to-Peer Entrepreneurship Training by Daniel O.C. SCB, published in 2018. To begin with, let me briefly explain what peer-to-peer learning means in the context of workplace. Peer-to-peer learning, often called P2P learning, is an approach where employees learn from each other by sharing knowledge, skills, and experiences. Unlike the traditional training, which is usually led by external trainer or instructor, P2P learning leverages the existing expertise within the organizations. This method allows employees to act both as teachers and learners, creating a collaborative and supportive environment. The main issue that organizations face today is the rapid pace of change in technology and business practices, which often leads to significant skills gap among employees. Traditional training programs can be expensive, time-consuming, and sometimes fail to address the specific real-world challenge that employees encounter in their daily work. As a result, organizations are increasingly looking for more flexible, cost-effective, and engaging alternatives to conventional training methods. According to the OCSCB research, P2P learning offers several advantages over traditional classroom-based training. The study found that employees who participated in P2P training shows greater improvement in problem solving, communications, and critical thinking skills. Participants also reported a higher level of engagements and satisfactions as they felt more comfortable asking questions and sharing ideas with their peers. This supportive environment encouraged them to take risks, give and receive feedback, and develop leadership skills in natural setting. However, implementing peer-to-peer learning is not without its challenge. One major obstacle is ensuring that these learning activities are well structured and aligned with organizational goals. Without clear guidelines, peer learning sessions can become unfocused and inconsistent, which may reduce their effectiveness. Another challenge is overcoming hesitations among employees to share their knowledge, especially if they fear competition, lack of trust within the teams. Additionally, some employees may feel unprepared or lack of confidence to take on the role of peer mentors or facilitator. To address this challenge, organizations need to take several important steps. First, it is very crucial to provide clear structure for peer-to-peer learning programs. This can be achieved by setting specific objectives, creating guidelines for participations, and assigning facilitators to keep sessions on track. For example, companies can organize action learning groups where small teams work together to solve real workplace problems, or establish coaching programs where employees help each other develop specific skills. Second, fostering a supportive organizational culture is essential. Management should actively encourage and participate in peer learning initiatives and recognize employees who contribute as peer mentors or facilitators. These recognitions can help build trust and motivate more employees to get involved. Using technology can also enhance P2P learning, especially in today's hybrid or remote work environments. Online platforms can be used to share resources, host a virtual peer sessions, and track progress, making it a lot more easier for employees to connect and collaborate regardless of their physical locations. Finally, continuous assessment and improvement are key to the success of any learning and development initiative. Organizations should regularly collect feedback from participants to identify what is working well and what can be improved. By making adjustments based on this feedback, companies can ensure that their peer-to-peer learning programs remain effective. In conclusion, peer-to-peer learning is a powerful and cost-effective strategy for addressing skills gap, increasing employee engagement, and building a culture of continuous learning and collaborations. By providing structure, fostering a supportive environment, leveraging technology, and continuously improving their programs, organization can unlock the full potentials of their workforce through peer-to-peer learning. Thank you for watching my video. If you have any questions or would like to share your own experience with peer-to-peer learning, feel free to reach out or write your thought in comment sections. Once again, the article I review is a comparative study of traditional classroom training and peer-to-peer entrepreneurship training by Daniel Ose Esibe, published in 2018.